Hello everyone. In this video, we are diving into something that literally powers the entire internet, the HTTP protocol. Every time you open Google, YouTube, or Wikipedia, HTTP is working silently in the background. Let's explore what it is, how it works, and why it is so important. Definition of HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a set of rules that defines how information is exchanged between your browser and a web server. In simple words, it is used for communication between a web client, that is browser, and a web server. Basically, it's the language that browsers and websites use to talk with each other. How it works. Example, you type a website like www.google.com. Your browser sends an HTTP request to Google server. Then the server processes it, sends an HTTP response, and boom, your browser shows you the web page. This process happens in milliseconds every single time you visit a website. Example, the browser says get http/1.1. That means, hey server, give me the home page. Then the server replies with http/1.1 200 OK, meaning sure, here it is, and sends the HTML content. This is how the internet delivers every page you see. Next, the HTTP methods. There are 4. So those are: get is like reading data from the server, post is sending new data like submitting a form, put is for updating data, and delete removes data. These are the verbs that power every online action you take. Next, the advantages of HTTP. It is simpler, flexible, and works everywhere. It can handle text, images, videos, basically anything you see online. And when it becomes HTTPS, it adds encryption and keep your data safe. The disadvantages are: HTTP is stateless. It doesn't remember who you are. That's why websites use cookies to track sessions. Also, plain HTTP isn't secure. Data can be interrupted. And older versions are slower compared to HTTP 2 and 3. Real life examples. When you watch YouTube, shop on Amazon, or use a weather app, your device constantly sends and receives HTTP requests. It's truly the backbone of web. To wrap this up, HTTP is an application layer protocol. HTTP is what keeps the internet alive. From simple web pages to modern apps, it is the engine of online communication. The web is now faster and safer than ever before. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have learned something,